Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create a realistic rotating globe animation in PowerPoint. This effect is perfect for giving your presentation a professional and creative touch. Whether you are presenting global data, travel plan, or just want to impress your audience, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, let's set up our slide background. Go to Insert, click on Picture and select this device. Choose our background image and insert it. This will serve as the base for our spinning globe effect. Next, we will create the frame for our globe. Go to the Home tab, pick our oval tool and hold down the Shift key while dragging to draw a perfect circle. Align it to the center of the slide using the Align tool. Now, create a duplicate of this circle by holding down Ctrl Shift and dragging it slightly to the side. Now, let's cut out the globe shape. Select the background image, hold down the Ctrl key and select the second circle. Go to Shape Format, click on Merge Shape and choose Subtract. This will create a hole in the background image. Place the first circle over the hole to cover it completely. Set the shape field to light blue and remove the outline by setting Shape Outline to No Outline. Now, let's create a 3D translucent globe. Go to Shape Effect and choose 3D Format. Select Circle from the top and bottom bevel option and set the width and height to 240. To make it translucent, click on Material and select the Clear option. This will give our globe a realistic glass-like appearance. Next, let's add the map and animation. Insert a new slide. Go to Insert, click on Picture and select a map image in PNG format. Adjust the color option to dark color. Duplicate the map image. Align both images to the center and move them to one side. Go to the Animation tab. Select Fly Out under Exit and set the timing to with previous and repeat until end of slide. Set the duration to 8 seconds and add a 4-second delay to the second map images. Set the flyout direction to left for the first pair. Now we select both of them and press Ctrl Shift and duplicate them and place them on the left and set the direction of the flyout animation to right. Finally, select one of the map images, go to Picture Format and set the transparency to 80%. Send it to the back. Repeat this for the second map image. Go back to first slide, select both image and copy them. Paste them onto the second slide. Now, when you play the slideshow, you will see a stunning realistic spinning globe animation. And that's it. You have just created a realistic spinning globe animation in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this effect in your next presentation and I will see you in the next video.